presenting a pre-owned 2021 Kia Soul. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.